This video will go over how to install the X7415 EcoHitch. Remove the screws from the lower wheel openings on both sides of the vehicle. If you have them, you will also need to remove all screws except the lowest ones on each side of the mud flaps. Find and remove the vertical screw from the top of the bumper fascia located behind the wheel liner. Next, lift the tailgate and remove the two plugs in the rear bumper fascia. Remove the 6 screws under the bottom of the bumper fascia using a Torx driver. Remove the rear exhaust hanger and sensor connector, and lower the exhaust. Support the exhaust by either finding a way to hang it or use a floor jack. Remove the bumper fascia by pulling gently outward toward the rear of the vehicle. Start with the sides near the wheel well and work your way towards the middle. Make sure to disconnect the large wiring harness connector on the driver and passenger sides. Next, remove the crossmember nuts with a socket and extension. Install the EcoHitch on the studs where the crossmember was previously attached, and reinstall the crossmember over the EcoHitch. Retorque the nuts to the proper specs. Before reapplying the bumper fascia, follow the dimensions laid out in the instructions to trim the bumper. This may vary from year to year depending on your vehicle. When installing the bumper fascia, make sure to plug the wires in again. Reinstall all components from the previous steps in the reverse order of removal. After that, you have successfully installed your EcoHitch.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing TorqueLift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.